Kaya yung mga bibili ng watch, di ba? Dito na kayo sa Swiss.
Yeah, check na lang. Kasi we check always the watches. We, make sure everything's okay.
Tsaka yung price, di ba? Kung tatry nyo na example, magka-canvas ka muna dito. Pinaka good deal yung Swiss.
Thank you sir. Okay, so we have deal of the day. We have a pre-ordered item, parang upgrade to Sir's watch, which is yung two-tone GMT 2017. So discontinued na siya, and it's one of the sought-after din for GMTs din na two-tone. This one is a Guinness two-tone yellow gold reference 126713. Tapos yun, GR and R, yung last niya. Meaning yung color ng bezel. So, green Nior. So, it's like the gray is tas Nior is black kasi in French. Complete set. Comes with the card dated July 3. And this is the watch. You'll notice naman din, kaka-release lang talaga niya sir. Sa ganda ng kinang niya. We just got it earlier. So, here, sir. You can check on it, sir. Upgrade din si sir from the new box, from the old box na cream to the new box na yung full green. Sir will trade his two-tone GMT 2017 Green Arrow. Slightly used, pero knowing kasi for two-tone, very scratch prone yung clasp. So I think sir wants to do PPF after. So this is what he'll trade with. Tapos add siya ng cash.
If ever may mga watches kayo na gusto niyo i-trade or i-upgrade, recommended ko yung Swiss. Okay talaga sila.
Thank you, sir. And sir, ano yung company po?
If ever yung mga gusto niyo mag-camp or mag-relax sa Tanay, Instagram or Facebook natin, Hills and Stars Camp Reserve. Yung mga gusto mag-relax sa bundok ng nakakabin sila.
You can check on the
Sir's GMT.
diagram.
Plus 3 seconds. And
Ganda
300
talaga pag
amplitude.
old reference.
Old reference good.
303 amplitude.
It's pretty good.
So, working well, excellent condition, that one, no doubt. So, this one, why do you like two-tone, sir?
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Parang nung tinignan ko nga yung Batman tsaka yung Bruce Wayne, parang ang ganda rin parang.
Oo.
Tinanong kita na order na eh.
Oo. But in case, sir can always trade, watches or consign back his Guinness to us. So, I told you naman maganda din yung pag-value namin. So, that's a plus point sa previous client. If you're also wanting to visit mga 4 to 5 p.m. alanganin sa bank time, you can deposit first and then go here na sa store para i-pick up na lang yung item.
May na-deal na din. Mga pala Miss Angel, si Andrea fashion designer, if ever gusto nyo guys.
Sana kayo ako today Sana kayo yung fashion design.
Medyo minute kasi hindi din.
Andrea Suarez at Talino Shop.
Sige. Kasi we get married, so I need like...
Baka consider nyo namin syempre.
Under your name siya. Yung cereal, same din po. And then, 1-year warranty, money back guarantee on authenticity, sir.
Which one?
Thank you. Here, sir. And then, thank you so much. Here yung freebie. Thank you. Everything. Thank you so much. Time check, guys, 6:27. Deal of the day, pero technically, kanina pa, since I had clients come in, I couldn't do an outro. So, we do have this new stock now. This is a GMT two-tone yellow gold Green Arrow reference 116713LN. So this one, if you're looking for something two-tone in your collection, you can think about this as, or you can consider this one as a piece. Anyway, so if you're interested, you can message any number down below. See you in the next vlog. Bye!